Here I have the hydraulic cylinder for my next project. It's about 400 millimeters tall, and the stroke I think is about 200 millimeters. Maybe more. If it is more, that's would be even better. I have been programming in Fusion 360 for a couple of days now, and I will show you what I've come up with in a second. This is what I've come up with, my idea. Here you have the hydraulic cylinder sitting, and this is the stroke. I've programmed 200 millimeter stroke. If it's more, well, that would be even better. So from here to here, it's 700 millimeters. So it will not be a very big tool, but it will be heavy, because I have a pipe 50 times 50 and then 10 millimeter plate around that, everywhere. Here, and underneath you can see how it's built. I do this because it will be easy to weld this. And time will tell where it's gonna break, but I think it will hold pretty good. And this cylinder will be driven by a manual hand pump. The pump is up to 280 bar. I think that's normal for cylinders. 220, 230 is normal. So maybe I don't think very much power will be necessary. And when I dry this, you can see how it's bending here and here. Very slightly, but it is moving. Because this is going totally straight. It will be very much cutting, but I have a nice tool for that, so I think it will be alright. I will soon start building, and it will be very fun. Yeah.